Thank you, guys. And now the end is near, and so I think the final curtain, my friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it through without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I surely knew when I bit off more than I could chew, but through it all, when there were doubts, I ate up and I spat it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed, I've cried, I've had my full, my share of losing. Now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got if not himself? Then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words the record shows. I took the blows and did it my way. For all you married men out there, all you married men, you'll understand what I mean. Yes, it was her way. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was noisy, ladies and gents. Let's give one more round. Dan.